Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of Facebook ads not delivering. First, open your Ads Manager and look at the delivery column. This column tells you the current status of your ad. If you see pending or in review, this means your ad is still being checked by the system. In most cases, you just need to wait. This review process can take up to 24 hours. If the delivery status shows off, then your campaign, ad set, or ad might be paused. Next, check your payment settings. Sometimes ads stop delivering because of a failed payment. Go to the Billing and Payment section and see if there is any outstanding balance. If your account is restricted due to payment issues, clear the balance and make sure your payment method is working correctly. Now move on to your budget and bidding settings. If your budget is too low, your ad may not enter enough auctions. Also, if you are using a manual bid strategy like bid cap, your bid might be too restrictive. Try increasing your daily budget or switch your bid strategy to highest volume. This allows the system to get more results. Finally, if your ad is active but still has 0 impressions, try a hard reset inside Facebook Ads Manager. Go to the Campaign section, select your ad set, and click the duplicate button in the top bar. Create an exact copy without changing anything, then publish it as it is. This pushes the ad back into the auction system and often fixes delivery issues. Thanks for watching.